Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you and your family are fit and fine at your home. Today, we are going to learn a new concept. The concept name is brainstorming and mind map. Anyone know about that? I will share my information about mind map. What is mind map? A mind map is a diagram used to visual organization of information. Mind map is a visual representation of information related to a topic. In mind map, words, talk, ideas and information belonging to a topic are categorized and linked together. Then, a mind map is hierarchical and shows relationship among pieces of the whole. For example, why you are using mind map? You are having 4 points, that is, information is very well organized and memorable. Map are unique for the individual student. So next one is how to use mind map. You all know about that very well. Identify your main topic to study. Center and circle the mind map with your main topic. Branch other important ideas from the main ideas. Support the important ideas with key information. Your next concept is level of categorization using mind map. Here you are having 3 levels. First level is central topic or main topic. Second level is subtopic and third level is detailed step. Before itself I told you mind map is a graphic organizer that use a diagram to visual organize ideas and concept. One small example, tree is a centralized topic. Idea and or concept is placed in a center of the diagram and then related ideas are added to in a racial fashion. Mind map are used to help structure information to gain a better understanding. Subtopics are oxygen shade paper. From the subtopic, the detailed steps are connected in a line. Most living organism. From paper, it is divided into notepad. From paper, it is divided into notepad and books. Curved line or straight line are used to connect the main topic to subtopic. There is an activity. Draw the mind map for the given topic. That is, your topic is mobile device. You have to draw the mind map for the concept of mobile device. Second activity is, I given the mind map here, mind map structure, and you have to answer the questions whatever I given. Once again I tell you, mobile device is your topic, you have to draw the mind map. And here your central topic is school work planner. From the central topic, 8 subtopics are divided, that is English, Geography, Physics, Maths, Chemistry, French, History and Biology. From the subtopics, each and every subtopics, the detailed steps are followed from that. So, from this mind map, you have to analyze the answer and you have to answer my questions, children. And the questions are displayed here. First question is, what is the name of the central topic? Second question, what are the 8 aspects of mind map? Third question is, what are the information under collaboration? Fourth question is, more efficient comes under which subtopic? And fifth question is, what are the benefit of the mind map? These are the questions you have to answer my concept. We have learned the brainstorming and mind map concept. I hope you can thorough with this concept. Thank you, children.